Hello Alessia and Leo. I'm going to make a baking soda volcano model. And I'm going to start by having a bottle and building a model volcano around it. And then we'll put baking soda and vinegar in it and it will look like a volcano. So here's how we start. Take some cardboard and I'm going to make a base to put the bottle on to make the volcano. So I'm just going to round the edges a bit. Okay. I think that's pretty good. Okay. So we're going to take some glue and put it on the bottom of the bottle and then stick the bottle to the cardboard. There we go. Get some glue out. And stick it down like that. Okay, we're finished with the glue. And now I'm going to take some more light cardboard. And we're going to make a cone fit around the bottle to help shape the volcano. Okay, and let's see. We're going to cut this. So, I think we can try and make a cone around the bottle. Something like that should work. I'll get some tape. A cone, just like an ice cream cone. Okay. Take this piece here. So that's going to form the under part of the volcano, kind of like a skeleton. And now I'm going to make some Play-Doh and put over top of it. Okay, this is the messy part. This is the fun part. So we need some salt. I pour that in a bowl. And we need some warm water. So we'll pour that in the bowl with the salt. Mix it up. And we need some vegetable oil. Mix that up. And we need some flour, just like you would make bread or pancakes. Try and mix that much, and then we'll see if we need to add some more. Okay, so all the water, the salt, the vegetable oil, and the flour, mix it all together. Now mix it with my hands. Just a little more. I think that's pretty good. Where'd my measuring cup go? I pulled it back in the flour. Just take a little bit more flour. There. So there's the Play-Doh. Now I'm going to roll it out into a thin sheet and then wrap it around the volcano and let it dry. And once it's dry, we can paint it to look like a volcano, and then we can actually do the volcano. Okay, so I have to get a rolling pin and a rolling sheet. So here's the rolling sheet and a rolling pin, and I brought a knife too, in case I need to cut the dough into different shapes. So I'll roll out the dough, the Play-Doh. Don't eat this kind of dough, you can't eat it. It's way too salty, you wouldn't like it. I think I'm going to cut that in half. And roll this part thinner. Okay. Now, if I cut a shape like that, then I should be able to wrap around the volcano shape. I think that would work. Fill in this piece down here. That's good. It can be all bumpy because it's a volcano is a mountain, and mountains are bumpy. So it doesn't matter if this looks like it's bumpy, that's what it should look like. And those pieces there. I think I've got it mostly covered. There we go. Okay, so that's the beginning of our volcano. And now we're going to have to let it sit. Oh, one more thing. Let the whole thing sit on a pizza pan. Like this. There. There, now it's ready. Okay, so we'll let it sit and dry, and then tomorrow we'll paint it, and then do the volcano. But before we quit, we have to put away all our stuff. Okay, so I'm going to take it all away and clean up. And of course the flour and the bowl have to be put away and washed. Okay, so until tomorrow when the volcano is dry, then we'll finish with this experiment. Okay, bye for now. Hello, Alessia and Leo. Now the volcano Play-Doh has dried, so it's time to get painting. Here's my paintbrush, and I'm going to start putting on some paint. There, I think that's painted well enough. Volcanoes are usually quite big mountains, so I put some green on to make it look like some trees on the mountains, and then there's some brown and black just to make it look a little like rocks. Okay, so we'll let the paint dry for a little bit, and then we'll come back and see if we can make the volcano go. All right. Okay, now we have all the ingredients for the volcano. We have some warm water, some baking soda, some dish soap, some red food coloring, and vinegar. So let's see if we can make this work. So we'll put and then a few drops of red food coloring. That's so it can make it look like lava coming up. Okay, now we're all set to get the volcano going. We just have to add the vinegar. So here's the vinegar. I'm going to pour it in. Oh, the volcano's happening. Look at all the lava coming down the side of the volcano. Yeah, still bubbling and bubbling. So there's our volcano experiment. It's still bubbling. The red food dye didn't work very well. Maybe we'll have to try it again. I'll put a drop or two here. There, does that look good now? Okay, that's the volcano experiment. Bye Alessia, bye Leo. See you next time.